How to create email marketing campaign on Wix. Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an email marketing campaign on your Wix website. Email marketing is a great way to connect with your audience and keep them up to date on your latest products, promotions and events. So first of all, log into Wix and go to my site, and over here select the site that you want to create campaign on. So I'll be selecting this and select and edit site, and you will be brought to site dashboard, and on your left hover over marketing and SEO and email marketing. And here we have a bunch of pre-designed templates that we can use for our email. So click on more templates. So take a tour around and choose the one you like and suits your website. So for today, for the purpose of this video, I'll be choosing this one, and I will go with use template. And editing an email is just same as editing a website in Wix. So first of all, I'm going to delete this logo section from here. Delete, and then I will drag this text box from here and drop it here. And now I'll write my company name here. So first of all, I'm going to make some font changes, like changing the font type, and then size of the fonts, and format of the fonts. And next I'll change this font. Now I'm going to change this product images with mine. So I'll just click on them and then change image. And these are the images that I've uploaded. And if you don't have any uploaded images, or maybe don't want to use them, then you have Wix Media, and there are thousands of inbuilt images that you can use for your email. So now I'm going to choose this one and add to page. Now I'm going to change this one and change image, and I'll choose this one and add to page. Now this is the promo code through which your customers can redeem discount, and then comes this button, and a link to your website that you are creating campaign on is already embedded to this button. And next comes this footer. Here's your address, mobile number and social link. And if you don't like the color scheme of this email, then we have themes here, and you can choose from any of these themes to change your email. So I'm going to choose this theme for today. And when you are done designing your email, preview and test. So this is the desktop preview of the email which we have designed, and we also have send test email option, that from which you can look how it appears on browser. So now back to editing, and click on next. and add the contact name here that you want to send this email, and you can manage your contacts from here. So now I am going to click next, and now here's the subject line of our email, and you can change it if you like, but I am keeping it as it is. And this is the from name, and I am going to change it with my business name. You can keep yours if you like. And so scroll down here, and we have two options, either to schedule this email or send it right now. And if I click on schedule, then I have to choose date and time to send this email. So right now I am click on send now. That's it. You have successfully created an email marketing campaign on your Wix website. By using email marketing campaign, you can connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive more business. Remember to regularly check your campaign reports to see how your emails are performing and make any necessary adjustments. I hope you are enjoying the video so far, so I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and websites for our online presence. And we are using this tool for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is, if you go through our links, you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those products and links in the description of this video. Hope you guys find this helpful, and thanks for watching my video.